Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, registered herbalist and the founder of Supernatural, which is where you are today. Supernatural is also an online destination for all things modern herbalism, especially herbalism education. So what does that mean? That means explaining the world of plant-based remedies, whole food nutrition, holistic living, and most of all, explaining, how and why herbalism is a lifestyle that we can all live. And when we do, we are just better connected, mind, body, to each other, and most of all, to the natural world of which we are a part. This is your class on herbalism for hair, skin, and nails. In this class, we are going to look at what the system is, the hair, skin, and nails system, how it's connected, and what affects it. We will explore categories of herbs for supporting a healthy hair, skin, and nails system. We'll look at specific herbs within those categories, and I'll give you more detail on those plants and how to use them and when to use them and why to use them. We will round it out with a section on holistic tips for diet, lifestyle supplements, and all of the kind of extras that make up a healthy hair, skin, and nails system. After each section, there will be homework, little bits of homework. But I highly recommend that you do it. I recommend that you stop, pause, step away, maybe take a day, maybe take a week, and actually do this homework, because those little implementations along the way are what leads to actual change. This is what creates, the progression that brought you here. You're seeking something, right? Seeking to learn about something and to change something or improve something or do something with that learning, right? So the homework will do that for you. I'll also provide you with a recipe, an herbal tea recipe for skin. And in addition to this video, there will be supplemental resources and sort of extra readings and extra rabbit holes for you to explore in terms of how to better hair, skin, and nails with herbs. All right. So with that, let's dive in.